Good morning, tricksters. Today is going to be a fun day, but a busy day. We've got to move cars and load the edge right now full of audiovisual gear. Today is shooter school. We're going to go learn about fireworks. All right, so I think I've got everything. We got lights, we've got sandbags, stands, what is that? Video cables, backup PA system, cables. Dual projectors. We need to go get some speakers. I have some speakers, but mine are pretty old and I don't trust them for this event. So we're gonna go pick up some speakers from my buddy out in Gilbert. So that's about a 45-minute hour drive. We're gonna go there now. All right, so we're at my buddy Craig's house. He's got like his own warehouse where he practices magic. And he's lending me speakers. Check this out. He's got these posters hung out from a gig that we did several years ago. Looks pretty awesome. This is a picture, or poster, I guess, of Craig here. There's some more. There's Craig and Marika. Marika's his assistant and belly dancer. They do an awesome show, a lot of fun. They do a show in Scottsdale. Go to scottsdalemagic.com and you can check them out live here in the valley. Got it all in there. Play a pretty mean game of Tetris. All right, let's go unload it at the next place. Everything's set up. We're ready to go for shooter school in probably the nicest room we've ever had shooter school. I don't know if the white chairs with a bunch of pyrotechnicians is a good idea, but that's what we've got.
Arizona 2017 Shooter School, or what we like to refer to as Pyromaniacs Anonymous. My name is Kendon, I am a pyromaniac. Hi, Kendon. Nice to see somebody still working in 12-step programs. Appreciate that, okay? You might be wondering, do I belong in the meaning of Pyromaniacs Anonymous? Well, there's the definition of a fireworks pyrotechnician.
Let's wrap. The classroom portion of shooter school is over. Kendon. And now we have to pack up the sound system and the projectors and all that stuff, put it in the car, grab some food, go out and shoot some fireworks. So now we're heading out to the field. We're gonna go shoot some fireworks. The sun's still out, so we gotta wait for that to go down. I missed the field training, so you didn't get a sneak peek of that from earlier in the day. But yeah, we're gonna go blow stuff up. Every day. All right, so we're gonna go do a magic trick with the grand finale. Hopefully no one catches us, so this could be interesting. We're gonna go right in the middle. I have someone that's gonna videotape it for me, but I won't say his name in case, the finale doesn't go. Welcome to the FitzMagic Show. I'm John Fitzsimmons. We are in the middle of a grand finale of a fireworks show, and I'm gonna cut the fuse. Cut this piece off. Now, we'll restore it just like this. Ta-da! The cut restored finale.
How did he do it?
You're not impressed? All right, hold on. Hold on. We'll just work a little bit here.
Let me come in a little.
Work it. Yeah, come right in. There it is. Fully restored finale fuse. Thank you very much for watching.
Do it again.
The FitzMagic Show. Boom! And we're going to do a lot of boom here in a minute, so check that out. Thanks
All right,
for watching.
I hope this works after you've messed with it.
They're gonna shoot the grand finale next. I hope it works. Well, good news, guys. The finale worked. That was a blast. Get it? It was a blast. Thanks for tuning in. Hey, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do that now. Hit the subscribe button. I put out a new video every single day. Each day has a new magic trick, so it's a lot of fun. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to go return the speakers and everything, but I'm going to call it a night for the vlog. So have a great night. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Boom! Hey, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like videos just like this, please do us both a favor and click the subscribe button. Below that, you'll find the latest FitzMagic Show, and below that, you'll find a video recommended just for you. Thank you for watching, and click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button.